What's up, everybody? It's your girl Taylor Danae from Detroit, Michigan.
Go!
There's markets.
Aye man, Mr. Brian left, yeah man, now roll out. Walk on.
We are doing it now. What kind of car you drive?
I don't drive cars, they're too slow. I ride bikes.
Bikes.
I can ride faster than you can even think.
Drag Racing Showdown. Automotive Art presents Valvoline Drag Rivals from July 19th to the 21st at VernamField in Clarendon. Come witness the Island Boys 7-second Civic attempt to reset their own record. Experience the thrilling showdown of supercars, and for the first time, Saturday night racing in a VernamField. General admission at 3,000, kids under 12 free all weekend. Valvoline VIP grandstand 6,000. Don't miss this epic weekend of drag racing as cars battle it out for trophies, cash prizes, and Valvoline deal and giveaways. Mark your calendar, you know. July 19th to the 21st. See you there. Race on the track, not on the road.
This crown is for sale. The owner asked me to upload this video so persons can know that it is for sale. It's clean as a whistle. 2012. For years we've been saying so, and this evening we will endorse it because safety is paramount. The best price for this evening, if you get the opportunity, make the best of it, because the price you're getting this evening you will not get it any other day. Come out and purchase one. Every car, whether you're a race car or just a regular car, should have a fire extinguisher. Don't wait until you need it. Seat belts don't work unless you wear them. A fire extinguisher will not work unless you have one. I encourage and I implore you, get a fire extinguisher for your motor vehicle. Ironshore LeatherBelt says so. He is at the racetrack, and what better time to get one? Right now?
Yes, sir. In terms of service, very important to have these things in a car.
Yes, every time.
Every racer, not even racers, but
You
once
own a
you're
motor
operating
car.
a motor vehicle, these things are very important to have because you never know.
You just never
Bless it.
know.
You saying
God
that
bless.
you refill them, you service them, so in case.
So if you have one and it's empty, take it to the racetrack. They will service it for you at minimal cost.
That's DMAC, extinguishers.
All right. If it has anything to do with safety, Ironshore LeatherBelt will endorse it. We've been saying for years, and we will continue to say so, no racing on our highways. It is good to have a first aid kit in your motor vehicle, whether you're racing or not, and a fire extinguisher. Always wear your seatbelt.
Yo, you have to use the pal soap. Pal soap? Yeah, pal soap make the car go fast, you know? Yo, use pal. I like when I tell you to drive, I'm going to use the green one. Yeah, pal soap.
What else one? What else one? You don't know? But yo, me love that.
Who win? Who win?
I win now.
Yeah, man.
No problem.
Yo, come on.
One. So.
Yeah, just one. All right.
What's up, everybody? It's your girl Taylor Danae from Detroit, Michigan.
At the racetrack.
Yes, Yeah, girl, it's your birthday, girl. I'm from Detroit, Michigan. That's my best friend.
You enjoying the race?
Yes.
Awesome, awesome. You're good starters. All right, so you ready for the next race?
Yep.
All right, cool. Okay, turn around. Remember to like, share, and subscribe. Ironshore, LeatherBelt. We're outside and we're covering a race at the racetrack. We can't tell racers where to race, but we say, listen, you really don't want to race on our highways. Too many accidents. Too many of our youngsters are losing their lives. We got some ladies out of Michigan. They're here passing through the racetrack. Okay, they're getting ready. Okay. Hello. International starters passing through, and they're out of here. There goes our official starters. Starter. Do you think the Starlet can beat the Fugo, Infinity Fuga? Fuga is at the starting line. Tell me where your money is at.
All right, Father Bert.
24 run.
See there?
You're done and being a killer. Yes, yes.
This is the Wallaby, you know, man. Fresh from England, you know. Signed by the Queen.
My name is Tessie General Star. Live with this style. I have been too much. Yeah, test that.
Here is Dr. Ferguson. Dr. Ferguson, how are you, my brother?
I'm good. I'm running with one of my brother a while ago. 20 valve, nice.
Yeah,
Yeah,
so
man,
you feel good for us as a 20 valve killer, as a 20 valve
yes,
driver.
Nothing wrong with that, man. 20
right.
valve are the way, you know.
here, I'm not sure, but it looks like right lane 1. For persons watching the vlog for the first time, tell them what type of engine you're running. B16, B20.
Yeah.
Blessings, General. Good luck. B16, B20. Lower arm. Dippy with his Infinity Fuga. Just came off a dyno a few days ago. And it looks like Dippy took that one just now, right lane. That's the Infinity Fuga. How it feels just to be beating drivers left, right, and center. It's entertainment. So, this are you gonna allow him to win this one?
No, you're mad.
250G Mark X at the starting line. Do you think this 250 is different from the others and stands a chance with the Infinity Fuga? Your best is as good as mine. Let's see. One thing I must say, this Mark X is clean. Excellent paint job. Excellent paint job. Right lane, the Infinity Fuga just took that one. But I must say the Mark X runs really, really well. Mark X warming up for the race. Can't say if it will make a difference, but I must say the burner looks good. Both wheels are hooking up nicely. Let's see how it fares out. General, what is the Dippy doing?
Beat him like a slave today.
Still has that slaver mentality.
I win, you know?
BMW killer just met the real BMW. So as a result, let's see how it goes. Best of 3. D15 turbocharged going up on a BMW. It's best of 3. Sunday afternoon.
A real Bima killer. Well, I need to have a word with him. We got to have a word with the Bima killer. Hold on, man. We'll have a word with him. What wait, are you a real Bima killer? Give up yourself. Okay. All right. I follow through. Boss, I follow soap, you know, pink one.
T-Mac fire extinguisher. We encourage all Jamaicans, everybody all over the world, if you have a car, get a fire extinguisher. General, big boss, tell the viewers and subscribers what type of BMW this is.
Alright, E90 335i.
This is a 335i,
Yeah.
turbocharged. And it's all fun, but you love to see where you stand against Dippy with the Fuga.
Definitely.
Fair enough.
Alright.
Best of 3.
Alright.
Hold on, 1 second. It's a funeral thing, so Dippy first, and then
Yeah.
you beat the white B-series. Alright, boss. The gentleman says it's all fun, but first he's going to kill Dippy. When I say kill Dippy, he's going to beat him in the race, and then afterwards he's going to beat the white B-series out of Hanover. So viewers and subscribers, they're at the starting line, they're wearing their seat belts, they're going to put their windows up because they want the car to be aerodynamic, and it's time to race.
Ready?
It's best of 3 The Infinity Fuga won the first race. BMW came second. So they're going for the second run right now. Are you saying they should sell a turbocharged and buy a 20 valve?
No man, you can't run good one.
So how you want to race then?
Because 20
better
valve
driver.
fast.
BMW Mark X at the starting line. Who do you think will win this one? BMW Mark X. The beast is back at the racetrack. After a long break, the beast is back. The beast is back at the racetrack. So it was main course, the appetizer. So now you enjoy your evening, you're heading home. Well, I'm not. Appetizer, main course, and dessert. So next week we'll be back. Different menu, different menu. Soup. Different menu.
Soup.
Oh, soup.
I will not drink you any hot.
Bless up. All the best. Take it easy on the road. It's a beautiful Sunday evening. For the past 4 days, 3 consecutive nights, I film accidents on the road between Montego Bay and Falmouth. 3 persons lost their life. I would not say it's as a result of speeding, but I beg of you, please, viewers and subscribers, please, we beg of you, take it easy on our highways. Too many accidents. Too many persons are losing their lives. The last one I saw was just in front of a popular hotel in the Rosewall area. Take it easy on our highways. It's not worth it. Do not race on our highways. Don't drink and drive. Use your seatbelts. Beautiful Sunday afternoon. Remember to like, share, and subscribe. Ironshore LeatherBelt. VernamField, 19th to the 21st of July. A lot of cars here this evening are getting their seat time practicing. 19th to the 21st, July 2024. It promises to be filled with lots of fun, lots of excitement. Can't afford to miss. To miss is to this. It is a family-friendly event. Car racing at its best. Racers from all over the world. Raptor going with a Mark X. Beautiful Sunday evening. Remember to like, share, and subscribe. Ironshore LeatherBelt says thank you. Viewers and subscribers, like we said from time to time, persons from all over the world come to this racetrack. We just caught up with a gentleman who does a lot of racing back home. Talk to us.
My name is Ian Bennett, right? My name is Barker and Tequila. I can take a motorcycle over 200 miles an hour and I ain't scared shit.
What kind of car you drive?
I don't drive cars, they're too slow. I ride bikes.
Bikes?
I can ride faster than you can even think.
What kind of bike you ride?
I ride 1000 cc's, I ride 1200s, whatever you want. You put me on a bike, I will go crazy.
Yeah, but
as long as you hold my beer.
in Jamaica we say don't drink and drive, or don't ride and don't drink and ride, because you will probably spill the
My
beer.
mom said that as well.
Don't
right?
drink and drive.
It still makes the best ride in the world, right?
Okay. Welcome to the track.
Welcome.
All the best.
Thank you.
Respect.
Say welcome to Jamaica. I love you, right?
Enjoy the rest of your evening, man.
Yeah. Boom, that's hot. Right, you need to change that shit. Get rid of that shit. You ain't looked at for it. Alright. It's even hanging off. What's wrong with you? Didn't you want me to teach you how to look out the car? What's wrong with you? Right. That's why you're losing, because you're not getting the air intake coming in, right? You need to inject it, and you need to put nitro in it. You need the air filter to be clean, right? And the oil filter is fucked, right? You're gonna kill it. Alright, I'm trying to help you. If not,
Race car driver here, see, giving some pointers with his cool air intake. He said the setup is really wrong. That's why he's losing race, because the car is fast. Yep. M4 passing through the racetrack, convertible. Like I said, the Lexus is here. It represented very well the last time they were here, and he's here this evening. Wait, so what? The Mark X first and then Dippy?
Yeah, and then Dippy.
All right, cool.
Yeah.
It's all fun. Place your best viewers and subscribers. Mark X.
Lexus beat him.
Oh! We're waiting for confirmation who the winner was. We are waiting for confirmation who the winner was. Carl, your brethren drive the Lexus. And you're convinced even before the race that the Lexus would have won the race?
Yeah, man.
Where's the Lexus from?
The Lexus is from Kingston.
Can't hear you. Wait. The Lexus is from where?
Kingston.
Kingston.
Yeah,
are you saying that the Lexus team came all the way from Kingston to race here this evening?
All the way, man. All the way. Every day. All the way. Anytime.
Wow.
Anytime.
And I understand on social media that there's a BMW at the location that will be racing later. No. And the person that they showed us on social media is the gentleman standing right here. They said he's a little afraid, but the BMW is fast. You know anything about that, sir?
Nothing at all. Nothing at all.
All right.
We'll see what going on.
We'll see, find out later on.
We'll see what going on later on.
It's best of 3 based on what we were told just now. The Lexus won the first run, so they're ready for the second run. Place your bets, viewers and subscribers. Okay, so what was that one?
No, the X a false stop. I don't understand still, but we will see what goes. No matter why it's still dead enough, because we have one more now. And him I go dead enough.
Alright.
He I go dead. I don't know who I go hide or, you know? Him I go dead.
Okay, sir.
He have to dead.
Alright. Alright.
Yeah,
Alright, man. Mr. Brian left here, man. Now roll out. Walk on.
We are there now.
Man, there, man. You alright?
Right now.
Then go up on the line now.
The teeth them want to go tonight. So what? No guess tonight. No guess to sell. What problem? Insurance. Okay, no insurance.
No, man. Intro every year.
I know.
Nah, I'm drive.
What going on? What problem?
What? I don't know. You have to ask him, see me.
One and only King, Arena King. Machines are out. This BMW is out of Kingston, Jamaica. It's all the way down in the west, here in western Jamaica, to race. And this is the first race for this BMW tonight. It's a 360 with lots of works, internal we were told. And he'll be going up with a B-series. Racing with a B-series, but the driver at first did not want to race because he did not take his slicks with him along to the racetrack. Lots of supporters for this BMW. Lots of supporters for this BMW. What do you think your chances are with the B-series?
B-series. Why, tell you the truth, I already know I'm mad, you know. So we just have to hope for your best.
Give it your best shot.
Yeah.
Fair enough. If him beat you, you go back to the drawing board and come back.
Alright.
Fair enough. Like a true racer. Alright, so the BMW, finally they've made a decision. They'll be running with dipping. No, can't go so.
I don't know it.
Wait. What do you think the race go?
Dippy, man. Dippy take it.
You think Dippy won the race?
Yeah, man. Dippy take it. Dippy take it.
What up? General, you honestly think Dippy won the race just now?
Well, I think them guys in the head, you know.
Whoa.
If you take out every one.
Dippy win. Dippy! What happened a while? No, seriously, what happened a while ago? Dippy, look at me. You won the race a while ago?
Yeah.
What?
Yeah.
Now, viewers and subscribers, this is not best of 3. It's one run. The BMW going up with the bad Honda out of Falmouth. You looks like the Honda took that one. Looks like the Honda took that one. Repeat the winner for me, please. Thank you.
Last time when somebody tell me the show canceled, I say, oh, you know, hear from somebody else, they kind of believe, but you want to go nowhere. And tell me the show canceled, brother. No, you ain't doing it. But if you short in a road, dumping machine. Put some of them in. No, some of them in. Not this. What this? It's burning. Yeah.
One JZ going up with the markets. Turbocharged. He's running with okay. Sounds healthy. Sounds healthy. Sounds really healthy. One JZ Turbocharged going up with the full Mark X. That is all motor. So on paper, this car is supposed to win the race. Let's see how it fares out.
Yo, it's like area. I know a joke thing about that Mark II, and I know a joke thing.
Some Jamaicans are too young to remember this type of car. This is a Mark II with a 1JC turbocharged. Based on how the car leave the line just now, it appears as if he's on about 20 pounds of boost. And trust me, it's fast. There's no joke. Whoa, excitement, excitement, excitement. The Mark II is just too much power for this track. Way too much power for this track. It was a good race just now. Definitely a good race. But wheel spin for days, months, and maybe years to come. Wheel spin, wheel spin. It definitely needs better tires. Definitely needs better tires. But it was definitely, I mean, it was a good race.
Alright, so Mark Anthony March here from the MRA, and we're on our PR circuit going from location to location, advertising our sprint coming up on August 11th at the Chilani Stadium. It's going to be the first tarmac sprint in Jamaica in over 10 years. We're going to have rally cars, sprint cars, rally cars, Dover cars, and drift cars all showing on the same circuit. It's the first event of its kind. It's promising to be an amazing day. So it's a 7 skate. Yeah, so it's essentially think about like a time attack. So we have different cars from different genres showing down on a two-lapper, trying to find who is the baddest out there. Yeah? So come on out, Chilani Stadium, the 11th of August.
Okay, sounds good. Now, are we getting any special guests at the event?
Well, what we do now, so our special guests are our drivers, you know. So you come out, you're going to be seeing Raina King, Brandon King, Doug Gore, from the circuit side of things, like Kevin Chuck coming from Mandeville. We have Cutter Hype, the boss himself. We have Damar Lee. It's going to be drivers from every genre of the sport.
It is fair to say, because some of the names that you're calling are persons I wouldn't want to say that they hang up their boxing gloves, but they have been off the racing scene for some time, and they're back in the game again. So,
well, what this event is trying to do is bring persons. It's trying to find a love for motorsports again. Too often we've had the sport be in a situation where it's all about what's the most money. We're trying to bring back to fun. So we're trying to get events where everybody can have equal opportunity to win the event. Simple as that.
And it's a family event. So
bring your family out, bring your tents, bring everything that you need. We'll have food and drinks on sale. We have a nice bar. We have a lot of vendors who will be there selling food. So think about it as like a concert with motorsport cars. That's really it.
August 11th, multi-purpose stadium in Falmouth.
There we go.
Promises to be lots of fun and excitement.
Yes, sir.
Viewers and subscribers, please tell your friends and let this be a day to remember and a date to remember.
So if you go on our Instagram, Mobi Racing Association, that's where all information will be. So go right there, Mobi Racing Association, and you'll find all information you need.
Awesome. Thanks for taking the time out to speak to Ironshore LeatherBelt.
Right,
what we will do is just zoom in on a few of the cars that are passing through this racetrack. Well, I don't want to say it's a racetrack, but a hangout spot in Montego Bay.
So Montego Bay, you can look out for us. We'll be doing a lot of pop-ups. This is just one of the pop-ups we're doing now. So look out for us at Pier 1. Look out for Sam Sharp Square. You can come, you can talk to the drivers, look at the cars, that type of stuff.
Awesome. Thanks for taking the time out to speak to Ironshore LeatherBelt, and we wish you lots of success. This is one of the flat machine over there now. Focusing on a few of the cars over there on